So, hello everyone. Today we solve our LeetCode question number 342, which is power of 4. So, basically, in this question, we have to given an integer and return true if it is the power of 4, otherwise, return false. An integer n is the power of 4 if there existing an integer x such that n is equals to 4 raised to x. So, basically, in this particular question, we have to given a number value as an input and we have to find that the number is the power of 4 or not. So in the example first, here n is equals to 16. So 16 is the power of 4 because 4 raised to 2 means 4 square is equals to 16. So we have to return true. Then after in the second example, n is equals to 5. So 5 is not the power of 4. So we have to return false. And in the third example, n is equals to 1. So 1 is the power of any number. So we have to return true. So to solve this question, first of all, we check the condition that if our n value is less than or equal to 0, then we have to return false because 0 and the negative value are not the power of any number. So we have to return false. Then after we run while loop and inside this we put the condition that if number is divisible by 4 means n modulus 4 is equals to 0, then we continuously divide the number by 4. If our final answer is become 1, so we confirm that our number is divisible. Our number is the power of 4. So basically in this question, first of all, we check the condition that if our num value is less than or equals to 0, means our num is equals to 0 or any negative value. So we have to return false because the number are not power of any numbers. So we return false. Then after we run while loop and inside this we put the condition that if our number value is divisible by 4, then it will enter in the while loop and we have to continuously divide by 4 to the original number and finally if our n value is equals to 1, so our number is the power of 4, otherwise not. So let's try to run this our code. So here our 3 test cases are successfully passed. So let's try to submit our code. Here our solution is accepted. So now let's discuss about the time and space complexity of this particular approach. So the time complexity of this approach is order of log n because of this while loop. Inside this while loop, we continuously divide the number by 4. So instead of this order of n, the time complexity is become the order of log n due to this time. So our time complexity is order of log n and our space complexity is remains constant, which is equals to the order of 1.